Continuing the noise problem, there's the module box with the back off. I've made another little power supply. So what we have here is just a connector for the outputs from the transformer. So in this case we're going to use a centre tap transformer. There's 4 rectifier diodes there, filter capacitors. These are 2 filter capacitors for the 2 voltage regulators on the output. One for plus 12 volts, one for minus 12 volts, and a green connector block for the outputs back to the modules. Right, so there's the bus wires that I was talking about in the previous video. Ground plus and minus 12 volts. As you can see behind there's a fairly hefty toroidal transformer. So what we need to do is break into those 3 wires there, they're coming from the secondary of the transformer, and bring those over to this new power supply module, and couple the 2 analog modules up to this and see what we got. So let's get on with it. So here we are, so we've got the new power supply wired up. LEDs are on. I've checked the voltages at the output, so we've got plus and minus 12 volts, and the outputs are going to the 2 modules in question, the analog ones. And there's a view in the box of the rat's nest. Yeah, it seems to be working okay. There's the transformer and the wiring. It's a little bit messy, but it's safe. The incoming AC is clipped here using a bracket, little cable bracket thing, so it's all clipped back nicely, so we shouldn't have any problems there. It's all secure. So let's go and put it back into the system and see if we've cured the noise problem. Let's see. So here it is. There's the box back in situ. Did we cure the problem? So let's go to the filter in question. Now the tone that was originally there, somewhere around 300 to 400 Hertz, that has gone. There's still a little bit of white noise. So let's turn our kick drum on, turn the volume up. Turn the volume up a little bit. So I think I can live with that. I can deal with that white noise. But the important thing is the signal to noise ratio is much better now. So you're not going to be able to hear that very easily in the mix. And actually it sounds like a bit of a white noise riser, which some producers kind of use just before you go to a drop. So that kind of works. So you might take all the bass out and then drop it quickly, like this. Anyway, that's enough messing about. Winner winner, chicken dinner. It's not perfect, but it's a big step forward. Let's just try the other filter, because I've got 2 filters in this before we finish, so let's just pause for a moment. So now we're plugged into the second filter of 2. Let's have a listen. There's some resonance on there. Turn the resonance off. And again the tone has gone. Still a little bit of white noise there. Turn the kick drum up. So it's behaving the same as the other filter. I think that is part success, but again I'd like to, if anybody knows out there where that noise is coming from and how to get rid of it, hopefully you can hear that. So that's right next to the speaker. And that's modulating the cut-off frequency. But for me, that's a big improvement. Let's leave it there. Cheers. So here we are, back at the box for a final test. Just want to do a quick jam, see what we got. I'm actually going to use that filter in a number of ways to put this noise together. So let's turn it up. think that worked quite well. Quite happy with the results. That's the end of the